Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a spend a day with me vlog. It's Sunday and I'll be free most of the morning, and later on in the afternoon I'll be having some group discussion with my friends, so that's when I'll be like going out and everything. But for the rest of the morning I'll just be inside doing whatever I can. So I guess I've been reading this book. So actually I have already read it in the past, but I was just like doing the reading and nothing else. So I am planning to like read it once again and take everything within the book into practice, like see how I can practice it in my daily life. Yeah. So once I want to take a break, I'll be just watching some movies and maybe reading a little bit, because I'll be having exam like a week after, and I don't want to fail. So that is all. Hope you stick to the very end and see everything. Oh, and I will also be giving a small, simple room tour of my room, because I made some upgrades for those who have been following me. Okay, so this was after the discussion. We found some students were filming a movie, I guess. So we just took some time to admire the scene and everything. After that, I started going back home. This was my way on the university. There was a graduation for some other courses who are graduating early, and yeah, that was on my way back home. This here is my wardrobe. This is how it looks like. I have where I hang my clothes up there. I put most of my bed sheets and blankets. Then over here I have my lounge dresses, my hijabs, and down here is where I put most of my cosmetics like my perfumes, lotions, and many others, makeup and whatsoever. And down here is where I put my handbags. I have a lot of them, but as you can see, I have stuffed them at there behind because I don't have much space, I guess. I am considering of purchasing like something like another storage rack where I could put most of my handbags and my shoes, because that's where my shoes are right now, and they're not just, the space is not just very enough. So over here I have that small plant I purchased. I have my standing fan over there, my sofa. Okay, that's where the window is, and over here is my coffee table. I tried to match it with the sofa, though the fabric's not matched completely. And over here is my kitchen rack where I store my utensils. um that's where I put my utensils that have just been washed, so for them to dry, and then later on I will shift them on the rack. Okay, this is my small minimalistic kitchen cabinet. This is how it is. So I have like this small rack over here where I put like my onions, tomatoes, and others. Here's a drawer where I put my spoons. Yeah, and the rest is in there. And okay, when you come to this part, this is my bathroom. There's not much going on in here, so yeah, I will do like another bathroom upgrade later on. And over here is my bed and my retro TV over there. That one is a speaker, and girl, I did the installation on my own. As you can see, a lot is going on, and I'm thinking of like finding something like a hanging shelf below the TV so that I can put the speaker at that area. As you can see, I have already drilled some holes. I will do that another time when I have the necessary tools and everything. So this is my bed, and over here I have a standing mirror. This is my mirror, and that's all. This is my room, my little